What if you could replace 10 different marketing tools with a single platform? No more juggling separate CRMs, email software, booking apps, funnel builders, and payment systems. Imagine all your leads, campaigns, funnels, appointments, and payments flowing through one dashboard seamlessly, automatically, and under your control. Welcome to Go High Level. Go High Level is built for one purpose: turning strangers into paying customers on autopilot. First, it helps you capture new leads from everywhere: landing pages, funnels, forms, even social messaging. Then, it instantly goes to work to nurture those leads into customers with smart automation. Emails, texts, voicemail drops, and follow-ups that hit at exactly the right moment. When they're ready to book, the platform handles it for you with fully automated scheduling. No back and forth, no manual chasing. You can even create membership areas to sell courses, trainings, or exclusive content, all inside the same system. And at the end of the day, everything is designed to help you close more deals faster, with a clean pipeline, real-time tracking, and a workflow that never lets a lead slip through the cracks. Now that we've covered what Go High Level can do, it's time to jump in and actually try the tool. The moment you land inside the platform, the first thing you notice is how everything you need to grow your business sits neatly in front of you. Lead capture tools, automation flows, booking systems, pipelines, and even membership features, all in one powerful ecosystem designed to help you build, scale, and simplify your entire operation. Now that we're inside Go High Level, the best place to start is the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a complete at-a-glance view of everything happening in your business. You can instantly see your lead flow, your pipeline value, recent activity, upcoming appointments, conversations, and the performance of your campaigns. Everything updates in real time, so you always know exactly where your business stands. It feels like a command center: simple, organized, and surprisingly powerful. From there, we move into the contacts section, which acts as the brain of your customer relationships. Every lead, client, or conversation that comes into your business gets stored here automatically. You can see their details, track their actions, tag them, segment them, and view the entire history of how they've interacted with you. It's clean, fast, and built for businesses that want nothing slipping through the cracks. Next, we explore the automations area, the engine that makes Go High Level so powerful. This is where you build the workflows that turn leads into customers without constant manual effort. You can automate follow-up messages, emails, SMS reminders, pipeline movements, tasks, internal notifications, and even booking confirmations. Everything flows from one step to the next, creating a system that runs 24/7. Once you set it up, it works tirelessly in the background, saving time, increasing conversions, and giving your business the consistency it needs to scale. After that, we move into calendars, where you can create fully automated booking systems. Whether you're scheduling sales calls, consultations, coaching sessions, or service appointments, the calendar system handles everything. Clients can book themselves, the system sends reminders, and the appointments sync automatically. No back and forth messaging, no missed calls, and no confusion. It's simple, efficient, and built to make your schedule work smarter. Then we jump into the marketing section, where Go High Level truly becomes an all-in-one platform. Here, you can connect your social media accounts and manage everything from a single place: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google, and more. You can schedule posts, track analytics, respond to messages, and even run campaigns directly through the platform. No more jumping between apps or juggling multiple logins. The opportunities section is where you track every lead as it moves through your sales pipeline. It gives you a clear visual flow of who's new, who's interested, who's booked, and who's ready to close. Each opportunity can be dragged from stage to stage, letting you follow the customer journey with total clarity. It's simple, organized, and incredibly effective for keeping your sales process moving without guesswork. And moving over to sites, this is where you can quickly build everything from simple landing pages to full websites using an easy drag and drop editor. No coding, no complexity, just clean, customizable designs that plug directly into your funnels, forms, and automations. Every page you create connects seamlessly with your CRM, making it simple to capture leads and guide them through your system. To wrap everything together, we come to Launchpad, which acts as your quick start hub for setting up the essentials of your account. It guides you through connecting your phone number, email, domains, calendars, and social media, so every part of your system is ready to run. It's designed to get you fully operational fast, without digging through settings or wondering what to do next. Once Launchpad is set, the rest of the platform opens up exactly the way it should, organized, connected, and ready to start generating leads and sales. GoHighLevel replaces a long list of separate tools. Your CRM, email software, funnel builder, booking system, automation platform, website builder, and even social media scheduler, all combined into one streamlined system. Instead of paying for multiple subscriptions every month, you get everything under one roof, fully connected and easier to manage. Their plans start at around $97 per month for the basic version with core features, giving you strong value compared with buying each tool separately. Hope you enjoy the video, hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.